Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the face unlock not working in your Samsung Galaxy A36. So the first thing that you should do is to take some cloth. Here, as I can see, they have cloth. This is a microfiber cloth. Preferably you need to have your cloth dry, but if you see that your screen is very dirty, you can use some alcohol. Close your device and wipe here the camera. You need to clean the front camera lens with your cloth, and if you see it done, check if it does work for you. As you can see, mine doesn't, unfortunately. I don't know why. Maybe it's because of the lightning. So let me check it out. Now, as I can see, it does. So it was the lightning. Okay. So as for the lightning, let's move to the next step. Ensure good lighting during the use. If you are sure that you have the good lighting, what I recommend doing is to go to the settings, scroll down to the lock screen and AOD, tap screen lock and biometrics, not here, screen lock and biometrics, unlock it, tap face recognition, here tap remove face data, remove, register face, continue, and register your face back again. So position your face in the frame. Yes, it's me, hello. You need to just position your face in the frame, have it scanned, move your head upwards, downwards, now as I can see we have our face registered. And once done, you need to just check if it works for you. If it does, that's nice. If it doesn't, you need to go now to the settings. But wait a moment, I have no idea what happened. Go to the settings, scroll down all the way to the software update, and here tap download and install. Once you have tapped that, you should see your software is up to date or some app software update. If you do have any updates, update your phone because you may fix some bugs like camera or something like that. If you don't, you need to contact device support because your device may be broken. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.